Hello everybody, and so now in the last video we have made an animation, right? So now we are going to make a game now. It's going to be a very simple game, not too hard. So yes, so we are first going to delete this cat. So right click, delete, and we want to get a new sprite. So you can get anything you want, but I'm going to use, let's see, this. So press it, okay. So now this fish is a bit too big. So on the top here, we want to get this button and it says shrink. We want to get it, then your mouse will change and we want to click on it a few times. So once you like your size, we can change the backdrop. You can do it however you want, but I'm going to make a small track. So first, we're going to draw a new one. So we want to press this rectangle on the side. You can change it to bitmap or vector, but I'm going to use this one. So we want to get this rectangle tool and we want to make a road, basically. So you can do it however you want, but we just need it to reach the end. So I'm going to make it simple. And this, and then this. And like, you can do it however you want. Just needs to reach the other end from one end to the other. So now we want another sprite. So click on the next sprite and I'm going to get a frog. So you can get whatever you like, but and shrink it again. So it's about the size of this track. You don't want it bigger, then it'll be a bit weird. So now we want this guy. So we want to press this guy. Then press this little blue eye. And then this will come out. Then we want to change the rotation style. It'll be like this. But we want to click on this. Yeah, so we want to go back. And this time we want to go to one green flag. Yeah. You also want to duplicate it. Just move that here. And make it slightly smaller. And we want to put it up here. Then you can put any number you want, but not too big. So let's say 50, I guess. And we want to move it right under this guy. So now you can see that it says 50 under it. So now we're going to name this fish by, and the other one just fish. So now we want to go to motion and we want to do point in direction, and then we want to do left. So now it will turn the other way. Then you want it to hide, so go to looks and then make it hide. Then also we want to make the frog hide when we start the game. So next we want to go to fish spot. So when green flag clicked, we are going to make a variable and we want to call it money. And you want to double click this and then it'll turn to this. You can do it however you want, just not this one. You can change it. So I'm going to do it like this. And we want to set the money to 0 at the start. No, set the money to 50 at the start. And you want to do forever loop if no. So we want when this sprite clicked, and you want the if operators, this one, less than, and we want money is no, change that to this one, and if money is more than 50, and we want to or equal to, and just duplicate that, 50. Then we want to do clone, create a clone of fish, and yeah, so we want to put here, when I start as a clone, this is the normal fish. When I start as a clone, we want to show it and do 10. No, we want a new sprite and we want to zoom in here and we're going to draw a dot a bit bigger, not too small, and you can see it. So you can make it any size you want, and you want to make it a different color, so maybe that color, maybe make it a bit. So after we're done making the dot, we want to go back to fish and scripts and show, and we want to forever create clone of sprite 1, so like this, and we want the when I start as a clone, repeat 5, move 10 steps. So let's try that out. Here I want to click that. And right now, it's going backwards and it's not moving right. So we want point in direction left. No. Point towards the fish, right? Yeah. And move 10 steps. And then if we want to put it inside the repeat loop, and we want to move 1 steps actually, and then we want to do 50 repeats. Then if touching the frog, then delete this clone, and we want 1 more at the end. So in the frog we want if forever, no, create a clone of myself, and then when I start as a clone, we want it to show. So let's run that. So we click this, and it's not going right. So that's it for today, and we are going to do a bit more of the game next time. Goodbye.